In this video, I'll show you how I made this wall decor for my son's room from scrap wood. First, I start off by cutting out a bear and two spruce looking trees and then spray painting them like the outline onto a 1/4 inch wood panel. Then I use my table saw to cut it out slowly. It would be nice to have a jigsaw for this, but I used a table saw because that's what I had. For the mountains, I used the 2x4 scrap pieces from previous projects, and I cut the 2x4 down to about 3/8 of an inch strips on the 4-inch side and kept the width of the about 2 inches the same. I hope that makes sense. Then for the length of the strips, I just cut it down to my liking. Not to mention to also cut out the sun and extra strips to hold the mountains together. Then I go ahead and label everything and start to stain with classic gray. I will have all the materials I used in the description down below. Now that the stain is dried, I go ahead and flip over the mountain. I will be using glue and fill in the cracks in between the strips and underneath the extra strips to hold everything together. Then clamp everything in place and add heavy objects till the glue dries. The next morning, I take off the clamps and all the heavy objects off and go ahead and add the glue to where I want the bear, the trees, and the sun. Then I go ahead and add clear polyurethane in gloss finish just to make sure whenever it gets dusty, it'll be easy to wipe off and just keep it clean, and if it gets wet, it won't get damaged. probably the most annoying part of the entire project, is to measure out how to put the hooks to where it looks level. I just kind of eyeballed it. I don't really have any advice on how to do this part except how to hang on the wall. I use a tape and to make the distance between the two hooks, and then put that tape on the wall to be able to put the nails in the wall and level it. And yeah, voila, it's easy to hang on. Thanks for watching the video, and if you have any suggestions for more projects, let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a blessed day.